Meaning of hairspring.
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 Hairspring. A hairspring is a delicate component found in mechanical watches that helps regulate their timekeeping accuracy. It is a thin, spiral-shaped spring made of a special alloy that is attached to the balance wheel of a watch movement. As the balance wheel oscillates back and forth, the hairspring expands and contracts like a spring, allowing the watch to keep accurate time. The quality and precision of a watch's hairspring can greatly impact its performance and overall accuracy. Hairsprings require careful handling and are usually made in specialized workshops using advanced manufacturing techniques.